Hyundai Motor Group has introduced 21 Xcient hydrogen fuel cell trucks to support logistics operations at its Metaplant America in Bryan County, Georgia. These Class 8 trucks, developed by Hyundai and operated through a partnership with logistics provider Glovis America, are being used to transport parts from suppliers to the EV plant complex. The integration of these zero-emission trucks is part of Hyundai's broader clean logistics project and marks a significant step towards environmentally sustainable manufacturing. The Xcient trucks were manufactured at Hyundai's truck and bus plant in Jeonju, South Korea, and imported through the port of Brunswick in Georgia. This deployment represents a sizable portion of the logistics fleet serving HMGMA, as more than a third of Glovis America's operational trucks for this site are now hydrogen-powered. The technology behind Xcient trucks. The Xcient hydrogen trucks are powered by an advanced hydrogen fuel cell system. This system generates electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen. Unlike internal combustion engines, the only byproduct of this process is water vapor. Hydrogen is stored in high-pressure tanks and supplied to the fuel cell stack, where it combines with oxygen from the air. The electricity produced powers the electric motor, providing a clean and efficient energy source for heavy-duty transportation. One of the key advantages of this technology is its quick refueling time, which is comparable to that of diesel trucks, making it a practical alternative for long-haul logistics. The Xcient trucks also boast a range of up to 400 miles on a single hydrogen fill, depending on the operation. Why Georgia? Hyundai's choice of Georgia for its first dedicated EV Metaplant stems from a combination of strategic and logistical benefits. The state provides access to a highly connected transportation network, thanks to ports like Brunswick and Savannah, alongside extensive road and rail infrastructure. Meanwhile, incentives from state and local governments have made Georgia increasingly attractive for clean energy ventures. Additionally, Georgia's focus on fostering a skilled workforce has aligned well with Hyundai's operational goals. The HMGMA is set to create over 8,100 new jobs in the coming years, further cementing the state's reputation as a hub for electric vehicle manufacturing. In other news headlines for Xcient hydrogen trucks and advancing technology globally. First launched in Europe, the Xcient hydrogen trucks have been supporting clean logistics across Switzerland, where they have delivered over 5 million kilometers of carbon-free transportation since their debut in 2020. These deployments are helping Hyundai establish hydrogen-powered logistics ecosystems as scalable solutions for a wider range of industries. Technological advancements include increased fuel cell durability and storage. Hyundai's latest updates focus on improving energy density for the hydrogen tanks, reducing weight, and making the trucks more cost-effective in the long term. These innovations continue to position the Xcient as an attractive option for industries transitioning away from fossil fuels. Hyundai's competitive edge in the market. Hyundai's Xcient hydrogen trucks stand out for their emphasis on scalability and versatility. The company has invested heavily in building a hydrogen ecosystem that extends beyond manufacturing the trucks. Its HTWO brand focuses on the entire hydrogen value chain, encompassing production, storage, refueling, and utilization. Additionally, Hyundai's focus on closed-loop systems, where hydrogen-powered vehicles operate within a circular model alongside hydrogen production and distribution networks, sets it apart. This holistic approach ensures that sustainability goals are met across all stages of the value chain. Competitors in the hydrogen truck market. Several companies are competing in the hydrogen truck manufacturing space, with Nikola Corporation, Toyota, and Daimler leading the charge. Nikola's Tre hydrogen truck has gained attention for its extended range and modular fuel cell system. Toyota is leveraging its Mirai fuel cell technology to enter the heavy-duty vehicle sector. Meanwhile, Daimler, through its subsidiary Freightliner, has been developing hydrogen trucks under its Gen H2 line. Other players like Hyundai Motors are also making headway in offering hydrogen solutions for commercial vehicles. The deployment of hydrogen trucks like the Xcient demonstrates that zero-emission logistics are no longer a distant goal, but a reality shaping industries today. Their versatility and efficiency mean they can support a range of applications, from long-haul freight to regional deliveries. Hydrogen-powered vehicles are particularly promising for sectors such as construction, agriculture, and mining, where heavy-duty operations demand reliable power solutions. Thanks for tuning in to HFN TV. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs in the trucking industry. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on hydrogen-powered trucks hitting the road? Drop a comment below and join the conversation.